This is Raycost's laser solder paste solution for high-precision pressure sensors. In this process, the FPC gold finger contacts are soldered to nickel copper alloy pads with ultra stable laser energy control. The laser provides fast localized heating, ensuring clean melting of solder paste while protecting nearby components. Each joint forms a reliable metallurgical bond, delivering strong adhesion and excellent electrical performance. This technology reduces thermal stress, improves consistency, and significantly enhances production quality. Ideal for pressure sensors used in automotive, industrial, and high-reliability electronic systems. Raycost, delivering precision laser soldering for the future.